This video is meant to give you some fun exercises that you can play on the set. I've made some videos similar to this recently, but I want to show you some easy ways that you can work on your skills and improve them. So everything I'm about to play in this video, if you don't have a drum set like this, whether it's electronic or an acoustic set, you could be hitting on anything at home. And that's one of the beauties of the drums, is that you can just have two sticks and you can create your own set. Keep that in mind for the beginners. If you're just starting to work on your drum skills without a set, it's pretty unlimited, really. And I've seen some students do some pretty cool things. So something to think about if you're a little bit short on equipment. So first of all, holding the sticks. The main thing I want to keep in mind is we're going to hold the stick with mostly the thumb and the index finger. And then the other fingers are just going to kind of loosely be supporting the stick. As far as playing on the set, I want you to have your palms down. And the main reason we want to make sure we start like that is so we can get this really nice sort of natural pendulum swing. And you can see my other three fingers can just give support however they need to. And then, because what we want is the sticks doing most of the work. We don't want to be holding on tight, super clenched, using nothing but muscle. You want to use finesse. So when we're playing, we are using some muscle, but we're using mostly just the wrists and the rhythm of our forearms and our body to just, in slow motion, the stick, you can feel it, see it bouncing back up on its own a little bit. So if you're playing on acoustic drums too, that's how you're going to pull the most natural sound out of the drums. We don't want to be pushing down or, just muscling it, or it's going to be a harsh sound. Okay, so that's gripping the sticks and swinging them, kind of what you're going for. So the first exercise. Now we're going to practice these anywhere between 100 and 200 probably for our eighth note speed. I'm going to start with 100. So the first exercise we're going to do, 16 out of 16, is going to be 16 16th notes. So let me just demonstrate. It's faster that way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And that's it. And we just keep going. I can add a kick on the downbeats if I want. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you got two sticks in your hand, go ahead and start playing with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we could go faster. As we get faster, it's going to get more interesting and more intermediate or advanced as we go higher. 150. As we're doing this, I'm staying focused on staying relaxed, not hopefully too relaxed so I make a mistake, but we're trying to get it even. With this, we could make any alteration of it that we wanted to. And by the way, we're doing right, left, right, left. I skipped that part. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Okay, so that's the sticking order. So maybe we want to take out the fourth hit of every drum and then do a kick drum in there. So then at 150, that would sound like this. Up top, down low is another one that I like to start with. Brand new beginners, I'm going to go back to 100. Depending on the speed that you go, it could be easy or getting pretty hard. Again, intermediate or advanced. So here we go. You can see why it's called up, top, down, low, up, top, down, low. do that a few more times. in case you're doing it with me. I don't want to leave anyone out. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Now another easy way to variate that exercise would be to just invert it, as we're going to do in the next one too. So instead of up, top, down, low, now I'm starting with the down lows. Ready, go. This one has a little bit more of a hard rocker feel to it. I'm not sure what that means, but it made sense to me. Last one, and 1. Okay, so that's up, top, down, low, or down, low, up, top. This, is this the last one? I'm calling it hit anything, because you know, maybe you have 4 different things to hit. Maybe you have 5, 6, 7. You're going to use all of them for this one, because, okay, let's use this speed. I'll just demonstrate. We're just using the same exercise. So obviously the order doesn't even really matter because we're just hitting everything. The reason why this is useful and good to work on is because drummers in general have difficulty keeping the beats even while hitting different things, right? It's much easier to just do the same pattern over and over on, say, just the snare. This would be easier than what normally happens is everyone rushes. So the challenge is to not rush while moving around the kit like that. So this is one, I bumped it back up to 150. And let's try that. Let's just hit anything. 1, 2, ready, go. Okay, so I'm doing the 16 out of 16 right now. Okay, so you get the idea. And you could try the up, top, down, low version might also work well, where we do 2 up top, right, and then 2 kicks. And I think I was even starting to rush there on that one. So more proof that it happens very easily. And then the last thing I just want to say is, you know, you can apply any of these exercises that we did, some of these ideas maybe I'm giving you, to now a rock beat on the hi-hat. So maybe instead of, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, our 16th notes, maybe I want to convert that into a hi-hat rock beat of some kind. So we're still starting with the right, we're still going right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, non-stop. The only difference is now I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So every third one I'm putting on the snare, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have a rock beat that we can play with. 1, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These exercises are great, whether this is your first day or whether you've been playing for years. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and so you can get any more videos like this that are coming out for the drums, piano, or maybe some other instruments. Okay, thanks a lot.